Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. What a day for Cardano holders, but generally for crypto holders, because everything seems to be going up. Seems to me that Cardano is really leading the way at the moment. I mean, if we can see that here, that Cardano has made a jump of 10% in the last 24 hours due to the implementation, the successful implementation of smart contracts on the testnet. So this is all now, basically it was hard forked, the testnet was hard forked. That was successful, so these good news I think sparked some move to the upside. But of course also Bitcoin went up 5% nearly in the last 24 hours, and yesterday already Ethereum went up quite significantly. We can see that here in the last 7 days Ethereum is now leading the way here in the top 10, I believe, whereas Solana is even going more up. So no, I think Solana is certainly leading the way. Then we've got Polkadot, but then we've got Ethereum, and then we've got Cardano following. So let's take a quick look at where we are, because exciting times. Bitcoin seems to be going up even further. Very quick summary. We are now on the 4-hour chart. We talked about that we were in this descending triangle, but we have actually broken to the upside, which is really good news. Covered it this morning in the video. That is really good news, because we are now above this. We've managed to get it above this negative downtrend where we made lower highs and lower lows. But now we are at this critical level that I pointed out this morning, which is, if I add it here to this 4-hour chart, which is pretty much here the 49,800, seems to be that we have been, I'm going to zoom in, that we have been rejected here at the moment. We tried to break through to this level of 50,500. Actually, you can see that exactly where I marked it here on the chart before. 50,424 I highlighted, but we need to round it up a little bit or round it down. It doesn't matter. 50,400 roughly. We touched it with that candle. The upper shadow is touching that, but we were rejected, and now we are exactly at this other level here, because we need to get above this former high. So this is currently where we are. We're actually now at this former high at 49,800, this swing high, but we need to get above the 50,500, because then we can continue that uptrend, because at the moment we haven't made new highs yet. So we need to be careful. We were in this channel here, we were in this ascending channel, or actually ascending wedge it was, slight wedge formation. Then we broke to the downside side. Now if we want to get in there again, I think we need to get at least above 51,500. So that would be really nice to see us going back in there, because then we can possibly continue our way to the upside. Next huge resistance level after that 50,500 is that 52,001. I think if we get above that, we will see a boost to the upside. All right, so let's go to Cardano. What we can see, that these Fibonacci levels that we put this morning onto the chart really work out. I talked to you about them before, that we saw that retracement to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. I talked to you about the next price target, which was $3.06, $3.07 here, and we exactly touched that in the current candle, tested it, and we can see now that we're now consolidating a little bit. I mean, not consolidating, but we've sort of bounced off that Fibonacci level. So this is a valid Fibonacci. These are valid Fibonacci lines here. They are respected by the price. If we break that, we could get to the 311 or 312 and then 322. So these are the next levels to watch out for. Really exciting times. All of that, of course, we need to stay above that level of $3 for the day, because the daily candle really needs to close above the $3. But then everything is looking good again. I think now, if that really holds, if we close the day above the $3, of course we need to watch out, does the week close above the $3? And then, we are really on our way to the, maybe even the 450 that I talked about, that I've been talking about since when I started this channel a couple of months ago. That was always my personal conservative target for this year, and maybe even we can achieve it before the rollout. I mean, it's only a couple of weeks left. I mean, not even a couple of weeks, only 10 days really. But I mean, we've doubled the Cardano price already before in just a few days. So this is not impossible. All of it is possible, and Cardano is about to hit the 1 billion market cap. Not quite there yet, but about to hit it. And people are always talking about, I mean, I talked about potential of Cardano of $30, not this year, but these things are possible, because Bitcoin was at 1 billion market cap in 2013. So just projected like 5 to 10 years into the future, and possibilities are there, guys, and Cardano is really one of the best projects I believe is out there. It's my biggest holding. I'm so happy I didn't sell any of my ADA. I didn't do any profit taking because I just can accumulate more. Because if you try to sell at the top, you know, it's difficult to figure out what the top actually is. And I'm all in for a passive approach. I want to stake my ADA. I want to live off ADA staking rewards one day. And yeah, I'm just growing my portfolio. And all we do here on this channel is really have a chat about what is the price doing. I'm not a short-term trader. I do some trading, but most of my cryptos is in my hodling portfolio, basically. So yeah, I hope you appreciate that quick update here. That's where we are heading at the moment. Really good. We now need to break that $3.07 level, and then we can move to the next one. Right, really good news for everybody, I think. In summary, let me know what you think where we will end today. And as I just do this video, Bitcoin is going up further, so let's all hope we will break the 50,500. There would always be small retracements on the way, as you know it, but let's hope we get through that and maybe even can then tackle the 52,000. All right, hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.